Now, just before we get going with today's tutorial video, consider subscribing if you are new to the channel, and don't forget to tap that bell icon to receive all the Facebook and Instagram tutorials and tips from this channel. And with that out the way, let's get into it. There's been a great question that has come in from someone, and that is, why is one of my campaigns a slight shade of green? And if you can see up at the top on the screen here, you'll see the new awareness campaign is a light shade of green, whilst the rest of the campaigns are grey or white. And the reason for that has to do with the delivery of the campaign. Whenever a Facebook advertising campaign is a light shade of green, it is because that it is still in draft mode at the moment. So you have the opportunity to go in and edit the campaign based on your campaign objectives and the ads that you want to show to people. And it's just a little way of Facebook prompting you to complete the campaign and help you identify the campaign with relative ease, particularly if you have multiple campaigns running at one time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below, and I'll aim to answer your questions as soon as I can.